Alright, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a nice day. And today's actually kind of warm, so I decided to film, because why not? In my previous video, I gave you guys a sneak peek of the exhaust I got for the car. So today I'm finally going to reveal it. We're going to do a little unboxing. And yeah, some of you know, some of you don't know. So let's find out. There it is, the care package. Let's get this bad boy out. So some of you guessed it right, NVIDIA exhaust. But what is it, a Q300 or an N1? What do y'all think? Let's find out. Let's get a closer look. What's that? So here it is, NVIDIA N1. Okay, so I picked up the NVIDIA N1 Catback Exhaust. It's a 70mm or 2.75 inch, however you want to call it. Has a 4-inch tip with the titanium and the burnt tip. Looks so good. So let me give you a background story on how I got the exhaust. So I picked it up used. It's not brand new. And the retail on this exhaust new is $730. And so I picked it up for $420. So I saved a bit. And the reason why I went for this exhaust is, one, the price. It was a good price, so I had to go for it. Two, I don't really see a lot of people with 8th gens rock this exhaust. Usually people with the 9th gen have this, so that's another reason why I got it. And three, the titanium tip, the canister exhaust. I've always been a fan of that. It looks so good. On the Dyno Blue, this tip is just a match made, you know? It's just gonna look so good. And yeah. So let's compare the difference to the stock exhaust and this one. Like I said, canister style muffler. Blue tip. The Dyno Blue is just gonna look hard. Okay, so I wasn't expecting to get an exhaust like this for this car. Usually I'm the type of person who prefers something that's quiet, something that's subtle, but this deal came up. It was used off another FA5, so I had to take the jump. And I know this canister exhaust might sound crazy loud, but at the same time, I think it might sound great. It might bring out the K20 very well, make this car sound raw. So I'm excited to see how that's gonna go. So stay tuned for that. Definitely gonna show you guys this whole process. And because I picked this up used, it didn't come with hardware, so I have to go find gaskets and bolts, and then once I get that, this exhaust can be installed and we're gonna see how it sounds. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So before I end the video, let's get some two-step action with the stock exhaust. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more content. Got some more stuff on the way. Like, comment, subscribe. Do what you have to do. This is Dylan here from High Beams Crew, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.